everyone, Alex here, back with another video, and today again something a little bit different. Not necessarily detailing related, but detailing adjacent. If you want to know the contents of it, check out the shirt there, maybe a little bit of a hint. Now, most adults really despise getting mail, bills and such. It's not fun, but once you get a package like this, with this little guy in the corner, it's worth talking about, all right? So, my friends at TOC Supplies did send this over as they are going to be a distributor of this brand. Very exciting for the Canadian market, and it's been in the US for quite some time, and I'm really thrilled to be a part of this. Now, thinking, Alex, it's a box. Well, it's so much more than a box, okay? It's an experience, okay? You have to enjoy it, and what do you say we unbox this together? Now, all of my unboxings, I like to use my new Hazette knife, generously provided by Jose. I can't say enough good things about that guy. He's just so cool, all right? He's treated Joey, I, and a lot of other people very, very greatly. So I'll put him down in the description. Do certainly check him out over on Instagram. That being said, we're gonna go ahead and open this bad boy and see what we got. Now, if you've been on socials, you may have already seen this. You're like, listen, old news, Alex. Listen, Canadians like to take their time. We don't like to butt in line. We apologize when necessary and unnecessary. So I figured, hey, better late than never. So we open this bad, oh. We have a little letter, okay? Who doesn't like a little bit of reading on camera? Now, hello friend. First and foremost, thank you for saying yes and welcome to Cam's crew. That's important. Take note. We are genuinely excited to welcome you as part of the Car Candy family and officially into Cam's crew. Your willingness to be involved, create alongside us, and help shape what's next means more than you know. As promised, enclosed, you'll find Cam the Candyman himself, which, on the back of the shirt, shoot. Cam just isn't a mascot. He's the owner's son and the future of Car Candy. He represents our long-term commitment to the industry, our belief in creativity and community, and the sweet results that come from doing things the right way. When you bring Cam into your world, you're not just sharing content, you're helping tell the story of where Car Candy is headed. The program is built on authenticity, collaboration, and trust. We want our products in the hands of real professionals and creators who use them, test them, and speak honestly about them. Your voice, your feedback, and your experience play a real role in helping guide the future release and ideas. As Cam heads on his journey, we'd love to see you be a part, of your day-to-day, whether he's hanging in your cart, riding shotgun to a job, or making an appearance in a reel, getting a front row seat to your process. Think of it as a "Where's Cam" moment. I think that's enough reading for now. I might have to frame this letter signed by Miss Sydney Bray-Gwynn herself, but I think I've teased you enough. What do you say we see what's in the box? Oh, you guys, oh. First of all, we have the lolliest of pops. Okay, this isn't your laugh out loud. This is Licko-Lick. No, anyways, it's a wonderful, beautiful lollipop. I haven't seen or had one of these in a very long time. A little bit deeper, we do have Cam the Candyman himself. Beautiful little sticker. Feel free to scan that QR code, freeze it, drop a like while you're at it. Gotta do it, guys. And the pièce de résistance. Where would I be in a Canadian video without a little bit of French? Ooh, man. Look at that little figurine. We have Cam the Candyman himself. Meet Cam the Candyman, our sweet new mascot who's ready to roll with you on a detailing adventure. Okay? And, we have an air freshener, Bubblicious, okay? And a little sticker. Guys, what companies have a mascot like that? I mean, that's freaking cool. Now, that being said, is this a sponsored video? No. Do I currently have any Car Candy products in my possession? No, but that's okay. Because there's gonna be big things coming in the spring. Summer, fall, you name it. I'm very excited, and I thought I'd give you a little bit of a teaser on what's to come. So stay tuned to join myself and my new friend Cam the Candyman on our new adventure, and not only my channel, but also to the Detail Grind podcast. Joey and I will have some exciting new information as well. Be sure to follow Car Candy on all of their socials, and be ready for a pretty sweet time. So drop a comment if you have any questions. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so. We'll see you guys in the next video. I appreciate you all. You guys have an awesome day.